Hello friends, in this lecture of Java tutorial, today we will study about the access modifiers in Java. You also studied about these access modifiers in C++, but there is some difference with the use of these access modifiers. So we will see how we can use these access modifiers in the Java language. So Java basically supports 4 types of access modifiers. First one is the private, second one is protected, public and default. So modifier can be used for class member variables and member functions. When we do not use any access specifier, then default access specifier will activate automatically. No need to write this default as a specifier as we did in the C++ also. So modifiers can be used for class member variables and member functions. When we do not use any access specifier, then this default access specifier will activate automatically. No need to write this default as a specifier in the program. As it is, we follow this rule in C++ also. Now this is the chart where we can see that how these access modifiers will use in the Java. So if we talk about the private access modifier, the access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from the outside the class. After that, default, the access level of a default modifier is only within the package and it cannot be accessed from outside the package. But if you do not specify any access level, then it will be the default. Protected access modifier. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class, or we can say with the help of inheritance. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from the outside the package. After that, public access modifier will come. The access level of this public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. So only public class can be accessed directly from the outside the package. There are 2 types of class we use in the Java. So one is the outer class and second one is the inner class. For outer class, there will be 2 possibilities. Either class is a public or default class. For inner class, all access modifier can be used. With this example, we can understand this concept of inner and outer class. So here this class A is the outer class and inside this class we created one member variable and member function. And after that, inside the same class we have created one class B and that class B is called as the inner class. So if one package class want to use another package class, then the class who will be used should be public. There are some points we also have to remember while writing a program in Java. There can be only one public class in single Java file. Second point, the name of Java file must be the same as the name of public class. Third point, only public class can be accessed directly from the outside the package. So these all points we have to always remember while writing any program in Java. Now we will see what are the protocols in Java by which we can use these access modifiers with member variables and member functions. When members of the class are private, they cannot be accessed from outside the class body. They are meant to be accessed from the same class in which they are declared. If member of the class are protected, they can be accessed from any class of the same package. They can be accessed from the outside the package also, but through inheritance only. Public members can be accessed from any class of any package. Default members can be accessed only from the class of same package. So this is how we can use the access modifiers in Java language. I hope you will have good understanding about the access modifiers. So if you find any meaningful information from this video, then please do share, like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also share this video link to your friends so they will also get benefited from this video. Thank you.